Hello and welcome to Raising Little Geniuses. My name is Sanaya Rayleigh and I am your early childhood specialist. But before we dive into this episode, make sure you hit that subscribe button. For today's episode, we'll be checking out Kloe Kardashian. She's a mother, a CEO, and a TV personality. Let's get started. Number 1, motherhood is a superpower.
I felt really good right after True, too. I was really proud of myself, how I thought I would be a little more insecure because I worked so hard to get my body before I got pregnant. And I felt really good. I think after you have a baby, you just feel empowered. And just the fact that you're now able to juggle a child, working out, and work, I think that's an accomplishment. So I felt really good that I found my groove and that I was trying.
Number 2, don't compare experiences.
I think it's ridiculous when people pass judgment on somebody else when they don't even know their entire situation. For me, it was even, I remember I used to get almost frustrated with you. Not that you even did anything, but you would just talk about this experience you had and how beautiful, and I breastfed for 18 months, and it's like, what do you mean you're not producing milk? Or you would just say things not at all trying to criticize me, but I would take it like, it's not that easy.
Number 3, support is everything.
One thing that I've always felt really lucky about is that I'm from LA. My family's here. My oldest friends from elementary and high school are here. For you guys particularly, it takes a village. I mean, being a single mom and being able to have all of these cousins and aunties around and uncles must be amazing.
It's the best ever. And even before I became a mom, I always felt that I had the responsibility of acting as if I was the second or third or fourth mom in line.
Right.
I always do how each sister parents differently. So I have to respect their parenting technique and rules when I'm either babysitting or helping, because they get out of line and, they get outnumbered. So,
Number 4, be kind.
In the world was 5% kinder. And that stuck with me. I was just like, wow, imagine if everyone was just 5% kinder. Like, you weren't talking about, let's make everyone in the world super kind. And, tell me what that means to you and what made you say that and where that came from.
Well, I don't know if it's the older I get or the more accessible I am to so many people because of social media nowadays and just the technologies in our hand. It just feels really heavy. The world feels really heavy and depressing. And if you read statistics for mental health, bullying, violence, everything is escalated. And I think we're too exposed to too many avenues of people and too many ways for people to connect with us. And we are all made up of energy. And when people either take too much from you, it is a ripple effect. But if we were to be a little more self-aware, and when someone is mean or negative to us, instead of us being combative back, if we were just like, why are you hurting? Or just even like, okay, and just took it instead of having your ego involved where you have to shout louder. If you just took it, that's even just being kind. I'm not saying people have to go buy roses for everyone or whatever, but even opening a door, smiling at someone, you don't even have to talk. It's a universal language that everybody understands. That would give a ripple effect.
Thank you for joining us today at Raising Little Geniuses. Make sure you follow us on social media at Raising Little Geniuses. And don't forget to check out our website, RaisingLittleGeniuses.com. And if you like what you heard today, make sure you share it with a friend. See you next time.